Officially, Asante Kotoko confirmed said the 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League Kotoko out. Kotoko entimi enwini with 4 games to go. Sa Kotoko the 4 games nyina kra the league table as it stands now the confirmation is that Kotoko entimi enje cap by mathematics. Kotoko is out of winning the 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League. Now, who wins it? Samates with 55 points currently as we speak. Yes, and Kotoko Ikra 40 points after match day 30. Inti Inchichemu kakra on the same. Samates now lead or 55 points, and Kotoko from clubs are almost than knife nyina no obi enu ho owini ne matches nyina na Samates elusu ni de nyina kra obetimi age Ghana Premier League no from than knife no ehu asem na mekan because say you 12 points to so on Samates 55 points and Legon Cities than knife with 41 points enti 41 points unya 12 points ebeka ho 4 games no we need nyina 12 points ebeka ho points ni nyina beba 53 points pacha what you say beba 53 points I think so, and Samates so 55 points. Same thing applies Krobia 50 points, Krobia 40 points into winning the games in anaka 12 points no obinya 52 points. In 52 points a new 55 points na Krobia and as a Samates one part of when you understand it, Samates with 55 points currently as we speak. It is a Krobia winning 4 games in Naka or 52 points in rule 55 points now Samates. On it officially teams are moved up from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 Benjano Ghana Premier League the or out. This is the Akana over fighting for top 4 and only information kakra was aname dem out. A crowd of folk there MZZ no agaga crab no theatre relegation zone. The next game on the Krobia Nebo El Babara Sports Stadium. So I heard the year Krobia Channel, of course. So Kotoko Channel or Betiako form. After that, the 3 games I can also call you who you I'm a senior man. Abuchi or say has the breakum game no or see if you shim na sasem this week you be bohopa phobia what's the breakum Chelsea 3 na wa 3 piama eduana be show the breakum game no yeah we been can bibia but confirmation e ho na we dey to put that go for me